Hi, I am the Improv cook. I am always making something. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple salad dressing. This one is called French Kiss because it has some Dijon mustard and some vinaigrette in it. What we're going to do is have simple measurements of teaspoon and tablespoon. I've got a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of the Mrs. Dash, an herby no salt herb mix. I've got Italian seasoning. You use whatever herb blend you have. 2 teaspoons of Bragg's, which is a low sodium salt soy sauce, and a teaspoon of balsamic, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then to taste you're going to add pepper and garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic. So one of my techniques for making salad in a jiffy, and this is my French Kiss salad, is just to make it in the salad bowl. So you've got the ingredients all poured in. Everything except for the olive oil goes in. So I've got those in, and now I've got that 1/4 cup of olive oil in the bottom. I've got my herbs in there, and I've got a 1/4 cup of olive oil that I'm going to begin to drizzle in. And I'm going to stop whisking just so I can talk. What you want to do is add your olive oil just gradually. You want your salad dressing to emulsify. And so that means that the oil and vinegar will come together instead of stay separated. Once I've got it going, here I am at the bottom of my dish. This will make about a 1/3 cup dressing. Have not added the pepper yet. Get it emulsified. Use the full whisk and the full bowl. That color is due to the herbs, and my philosophy about salad dressing is that you can never have too many herbs. So this is not Herbs Provençal. That would make it truly a French kiss. But this is my French Kiss simple salad dressing made in under 2 minutes. Go make yours. And this is how I finished my salad. This is the French Kiss, done with red onion, yellow bell pepper, a little bit of carrot, and celery. Go enjoy it. Hey cookies, make it and make it yours.